Right, guys, I keep trying to do these things, but it never comes out quite right. If you enjoy watching my channel, please like and subscribe. Please click the little bell button so that you get alerted when I upload new videos. I'm always uploading new videos, I hope. And I hope that you can, from that point of view, possibly give me a little bit of a boost by subscribing, because as usual, YouTube have it their own way. Put adverts in my vids, I get nothing. So I'm the idiot doing all the work, and they, whoever they are, where they're based in, wherever it is, are making lots of money out of me. So thank you very much for that, Tube you. And I will say, yes, it is Thursday. It is Thursday afternoon. Yes, I've had a drink. And yes, I am sick to death of being sick and tired. Now, I don't know whether you can see what I've done here. I'll show you quickly. What I'm doing is I'm putting a proper... Son of a bitch. I believe this thing's sticking through still. I thought I ground them all off. Okay. So look, this thing's sticking through, look, bleeding. Right, so we're going to have proper door rubbers, and they're already in. And then I'm gonna lead from there to there with a little triangulated piece. So I'll show you on the other side there in a minute. So they work really nicely. Doors all fit. Luke's door, absolutely stunning. This side is the one I haven't done, and I haven't done it because I don't know why. I just haven't done it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it this way because I can. I'm going to try and get past the welder because obviously that's in my way. I'm going to try and bump the old. Right, okay guys, so from that point of view, let's show you what I've actually done. Right, this one is finished. Tacked, done, tacked. Triangle, I've got to put a triangle on here. That's next. But that's something I was thinking about, now I'm going to do it, so that's fine. I've got to grind a bit of lead off of there, and I've also got to get that to come over in, like I've done up there. Now, see what I did here? Look at this. What a view. That comes down beautifully. Follows the door around, points it down. Going to tidy it all up with a dolly on a shrinking spoon, but that's basically it. And then that goes back into that one. Again, a little corner. So that's actually good. That's actually working how it should. That's looking good. And I don't know, if you're interested, watch. If you're not, don't bloody watch. I don't care. This side, as I said, is good, but apart from that corner. And I'm having trouble because of the rubber. I'm using this old rubber as a guideline. So, from that point of view, I could actually sort of... I'm thinking about just like putting a piece in here and then grinding it back so I can go in, yeah? Which will go to there and it'll catch up on the frame. So that's it. Still some holes to do in the bonnet, as you know, because... I don't know. Maybe I had a drink and I made a mess. I don't know. Listen, if I don't know, who does? Yeah. So there's a few holes down that one as well that's got to be done. As you can see, there's a few more down here, so that's good. The door on this side is the last one on the agenda. So that's it. And I've welded up the holes on that side. So that's it done. Guys. Hopefully, and I'm going to say this, and I mean this in a sort of like a tongue-in-cheek way, when I finish that, the welding is finished. Apart from maybe a few other little sort of patches and stupid bits, the majority of this thing is finished. So, from that point of view, yeah, it's good. It's actually good, and we're gonna try desperately, and I'm talking desperately, to get the bonnet in place, and I'm going to also try and work out I think the bonnet's done the splits, but at the moment, until the bonnet hinges are on, and I know how much I need to widen the scuttle by to come out here, I don't think I need to do too much more there, because at the moment, I'm using this, obviously, as a yardstick, and it's not bad, but it's not great, it's not very nice. Grill wise, we're using the Mark 1 grill, which is bigger, and we're doing away with that stupid Santa vein. So we're going to have a bit better cooling system. Not doing anything else, maybe. Alright, okay, alright, I'll show you what I was going to do. Right, I'll take you down the back. Now, I did this last night when I was sort of inebriated. and I got the Aston filler removed, and I actually marked it there. And if that went there, right, I could put a bend and come down, put another bend, and I could go onto the top of the original fuel tank, which will be there. I don't know whether you can see that. Can you see it? And then, if I did that, I can then put the old original fuel cap, and I can weld it, beat that lip out of it, and I can weld that in, and that's it, gone, finished. So, that might be the next mod that's going to get done. I don't know. I'm not, hey, it's not cast in stone. It all depends on, well, I have one of these. If I can find some pipe work to go with it, then I go. And all these people who've done this, they must have a bit of an issue because there's a reinforcer and a hinge there. So I don't know, for all these people who've got all these big things, just what they've done to relocate all this. If you put it there, you've got to take a sculpt out of the boot lid, and then you wouldn't be able to get to the original tank. So I'm sure they don't run the original tanks. I'm sure they run an alloy tank in the back there. And I'm sure that they probably do go left, right, and then into the top of the tank. But I don't know if it's going to hold a lot of fuel. So I'm going to go with the original fuel tank, and I'm going to go possibly with the Aston filler into the original tank. Only because I've got the Aston filler, and I've got the original tank, and it's pretty good. So that's from that point. This needs a bit of grindation here to get a bit better gap, but other than that, she's pretty good. And to be honest, guys, this was it was just all a big punt, really, wasn't it? It was never designed that it's going to ever be like factory or concours, so it was always going to be like an edge row customs. And from an edge row customs point of view, I think it's pretty bloody good. Oh, well, alright, okay, I'll take that back. I think it's pretty good. I'm sure that the people out there are probably going, what do you think of it so far? Rubbish! These we can alter, we can make fit, so that's something else we altered. And these I keep cleaning up. I get a bit of a chance with a bit of wire wool. And I think they're going to be alright. They're going to have to be filled here because of that chrome trim. But then they're going to have to be filled across the top of here because of the chrome trim that's missing. And when I think Claude does the screens, I can ask put a bead once they're in. I can put a little bead of black silicone across here. Just hide all that. I'm not going to do the chromes if I can help it. I'm going to paint those in body colour. And it's in theory, with the old Coombs narrow spats which we've got, we're going to be quite interested. I think it should be game. I think it should be alright. I don't think, Oh, and there was another, just a quick one here. If you get this video, I don't know. You'll probably get edited to pieces. But anyway, I'm going to weld that hole up. That hole's gone. That's gone. I'm just going to keep the chrome there, that one chrome. And the reason I'm going to keep the one chrome is because I think just one piece of chrome up the centre to line up with the glass around the frame and the mirrors and the headlight pods. I think that'd be enough chrome. I don't think there'll be any need for any more. We got the bumpers in the overroad, so I think I'm not going to go down that idea of a taking this off and putting a spoiler and a splitter and all that bollocks. No, come on, it's a March Jag. I'm not interested in doing all that rubbish. Next thing's going to be getting I want to finish that bloody welding today. That's my mission. Finish all the welding today. And then tomorrow is another day, as Scarlett said. But no, tomorrow I'm going to sort of think about I'm going to get some cars out of storage, possibly to try and sell. But so this thing needs to be sort of got to the point where I can actually have it, I don't know, put the beam in it, steering in it, and put it out there into the big wide world. Possibly no bare metal, hopefully, showing, but we'll see anyway. I don't know, we'll see. If not, it's going to have to go somewhere else. I don't know where it's going to go, but it's going to go somewhere. But for the minute, as I said before, we've filled all the holes we want to fill. We've done all the welding we want to do. We've got a lovely edge there. That is really quite nice down there. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna dress it out with a dolly and a shrinking spoon, and take all that out. But at the moment, when I put that rubber on there, that actually works really, really well. So, I mean, come on. I mean, look, it was never designed to be, I'm not doing this a la Beach or any of the top end people. I'm doing this a la Edshed. So, from an Edshed point of view, as long as the bloody doors close and the bloody seals are closed and I haven't got to do all the crap that goes with it, I'm going to be quite happy. Engine wise, still haven't worked out what I'm going to do. Still thinking along the lines of something like a 4.2, 2-inch carbs, and a sort of a bit of a modded motor. But I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Heater box, we're still working out whether we're going to go for a Chinese electric heater, which is probably just going to catch the whole thing on fire, or put the original heater in so that we get a bit of extra cooling. Get another sort of radiator with a bit extra cooling as well, maybe 52mm rad, like for the cooling, and put an electric pump in, which we've got on the Mark 1, that can boost the water flow through the radiator, which makes the heater work better. But we'll see. Door handles, obviously, like we've already tried. We know they work, and they work all right without the rest of it. And I'm not a great person to get anything re-chromed, so I'm just going to go with what I've got. I've got enough door handles, I think, to make this work. And I am going to go with these wheels and caps. But if I don't go with those, I'll go with a set very similar. We'll see. Anyway, so from that point of view, guys, I'd like to say that, yeah, the Edshed has been working. I know for the people who are not colourblind like me, that roof is green. And it's not going to be green. I'm going to paint it black. I'm going to get some black vinyl paint off of, I don't know, Fleabay, Amazon, whoever sells black vinyl paint. And I'm going to colour it black. So I can get away with what I'd like to, which is my blue interior, which is what I want to put in it. So it'll be grey with a blue interior. And I think that'll look nice. So we'll see anyway. Grey, blue interior, and alloy wheels. Yeah. Chrome bumpers. And I think it'll look good. Remember, when you're out here doing this, God, it's incredibly boring, incredibly tedious, and not much fun. So, for the people who have got this far, if you've watched it, I will say to you guys, it could be worse. It could be you. Remember, time's precious, waste it wisely. And remember the other thing, you only come here once. You're only down this way once. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.